Alright. I'm going to start a whole new season of seat time. So, we got a new vehicle this time. Not going to be a car. We're going to go back a little bit. So, calling this episode Taco Tuesday. One thing that's really cool about this one, unlike all my other ones, yeah, I don't get to go wah 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 in the engine bay. So, 3.4 liter this time. Alright, so we ended up finding out that there is a leak in the radiator. It's right here, if you can see with my finger. This crack across here. Kyle was nice enough to attempt to fix it with silicone, but that didn't work. So, got a new radiator. I actually don't even think it's in that box. There it is. It's on the ground. Now, the things you did miss, because this hadn't come in the mail yet, was that last week, changed the valve cover gaskets. That looks all nice and shiny now. Got a new power steering pump, and it had been leaking forever. That's what all this nasty black garbage on the ground is. Cleaning all that off the engine and everything. And then let's see what else. Spark plug wires. We got some blue noodles. You know, those are the jam.
New air filter.
Yeah, not that anyone cares. I'm not putting an intake on it right now. Just blowing money on everything else.
And upper and lower radiator hoses.
Upper and lower radiator hoses. And we happen to find out that on this truck, although they're cut to fit the top and the bottom radiator hose, is the exact same number, which is fantastic.
It's great for carrying a spare. Only got to carry one part.
Yeah, unless you blow up both. Murphy's Law, right?
You probably got bigger issues if you blow up both.
Yeah.
Would be my thought.
I would, no.
Like some head gaskets?
Not some crashing into stuff, maybe. I don't know. My mind goes to different places. But, well, let's get this thing drained. Oh, yeah. Alright, so the next thing is I'm taking this wheel out, and I'm taking this seat out, and then I'll probably be taking that off. Don't know how much of it I'm going to get recorded, and Kyle is nice enough to be over there yanking that radiator out. So, we'll see how it goes. Just do that. Alright, so what we learned so far is that there is two to screw on this side and a screw on this side, and then I didn't know this, maybe this is funny or not, but this thing has an airbag in it. I didn't pay attention to what it said. So we unhooked the battery so I don't die, have this thing blow up in my face. Got that unhooked from there. It's a really weird looking connector, but nothing a little picky tool can't do. And then it's looking like next probably gonna get take this guy off, and then pound for 2 hours, and then maybe it'll come off. I'm gonna have the airbag light on. This sucks. I want that light to go away. Alright, so we got the wheel off, got that going. Ended up taking 4 screws to take this guy out. Now, if I tried to put my hub up against this, it's going to hit that thing. It's not going to allow it to tighten down. So I've got to get rid of this. Well, that little guy right there doesn't unclip from that end. I got to follow that wire all the way back to pull this out. Not that I really want that piece necessarily gone, but I have to have that flush mount so I can put my aftermarket wheel on. Or I'm an idiot, you guys let me know in the comments. Either or. All this got to come off. So that's what's next. Alright, so while I was messing with that, we're going to catch back up with Kyle, because as per usual, people that are trained to do this to do it in 5 minutes. I'll look like a retard. Apparently, you pulled the grill out.
Pulled it back.
Pulled it back.
But here's your AC, one of your AC lines.
Oh man, that looks ready to work right there. Isn't there like a component that goes here that's missing?
Yeah, I think they call that a condenser.
Condenser? Yeah, I don't need it. I want to get rid of that thing anyway. Bye-bye! Other than I like the defrost.
Right. Well,
defrost is
it ain't going to do anything now.
it wasn't going to do anything to begin with. So, yeah, I say goodbye to like 10 pounds, although Kyle will roll his eyes. Ooh, every car needs AC. Nope. Not ones that do burnouts. I mean, you can have it, but you don't have to. All right, and that's the coolant look like coming out of it. You know, when you run just water, it turns to rust. Kind of a downside. All right, anything you want to share, Kyle, other than this thing, the more you look into it, the more of a pile of garbage it is?
How much time we got? We're missing a radiator bolt. Condenser's gone. The whole front end's held together with zip ties.
Yeah.
The fan, I believe, is wired in backwards.
And then I noticed there was like a wood screw or something.
Yeah, there's a wood screw holding on a relay on a radiator in an automotive.
I mean, I guess
vehicle.
that's what they had, right? They just use what they have.
I guess. Right.
All right.
I guess half.
Kyle does not
half
approve,
ass is
but
better than no ass. But
I guess you're right. Half-ass gets you home.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll check back in. All right. So here we are again, and I'm back in here, trying to take that little. So I can get down here low enough. Trying to take that little clip out right there, so I can get that yellow cable out, because that's what's holding this guy. Wish me luck. Moment of truth. Does it fit? NRG SRK 120H. Are we screwed? Ooh. Hey, hey. I think we're in business. Yeah. Hyped. Alright. Well, that's good stuff. And Kyle's is still in there swearing, so we're going to give him a little more time before I check in. Well, I guess it's in. Got the cover back on. Nothing hanging off on the bottom. All those panels back. It's in there nice. Little horn button doesn't work, and it probably won't, but I care about that much. It's progress, though. Hyped. Alright, radiator's installed. We're warming it up.